I have 4 different hair dryers, to be very honest with you. I have, wait. Stop the video. You could sit here and watch me blow dry my hair for 3.5 minutes and have all that noise in the background. Who wants to do that? Or you can just trust and believe that Lafen hair dryer is legit. It is worth the price. It dried my hair in 3.5 minutes. It is not staticky. It is not frizzy. This is a good deal. This is a quality hair dryer. You can continue to watch the rest if you please. Or you could just add to cart. It's in the bottom left corner. Orange. There you go. 3 others in this price range from the like $60 to $80 range. Guess I'm going to be donating some hair dryers. Today we're trying Lafen's hair dryer. And I'm excited because I've heard great things about this, and anything that can cut my getting ready time down, I'm all for it. It has an attachment to diffuse. I'm blowing my phone down. Okay, low, high. See how long this takes us. This is low. Okay, this one cycles through the hot cold setting, so that's nice. And my hair is like 90% dry on this side. That fast. Let's keep going. It just took me 3.5 minutes to blow dry my whole head of hair. I have pretty long hair, and as you'll see in the video, I didn't use a round brush. I didn't use a brush at all. I just, with my hand. And look, no fuzzies. It is like super shiny, no static. Salon quality hair dryer without the salon price. I'm gonna link this for you guys. Lafen hair dryer.